Machining Technology and Global-Tek Manufacturing are two manufacturing companies specializing in machining processes. Machining Technology is located in Longmont, Colorado, and Global-Tek Manufacturing is located in Ceiba, Puerto Rico. The advantages of operating in Puerto Rico are low labor costs, an abundance of skilled labor, and tax incentives. The companies work synergistically together by resource planning, capacity planning, and exchanging of work instructions. The growth of Global-Tek, which started operations in 2015, has grown steadily over the course of 5 years. The demand for manufacturing services at both companies is very high. Because of this high demand, we need to operate 3 shifts, 7 days a week. Sales for both companies in 2019 were up over 2018, and going into 2020, we have the highest open order backlog that we've ever had. We can handle more business by adding more machines at either location, so we have room to expand within our buildings. The potential for growing both companies in the US and in Puerto Rico are great. Customers come back to our companies for competitive pricing, high quality manufactured components, and on-time delivery. The future for both companies looks very bright.